every math concept you need to know for your digital SAT part 9, I think. So today we're going to do everything about the area of triangles. So you probably already know that base times height divided by 2, don't forget divide by 2, equals the area. And if you have a right triangle, let's say you have A and B, right? B is the base and A is the height. You have side C, which is the hypotenuse, and D, which is the altitude. Then C times D divided by 2 is equal to the area. So C times D equals A times B. So if they want you to find D or a certain side with D, B, and C, then you could do it. You could do it that way. Now, yes, you can do this with right triangles, but only right triangles, right? If you have an equilateral triangle, you can do one side times another side divided by 2 equals A. No, this does not work, okay? Because it's not the height and the base. So the height would be this and the base would be this. If it's an equatorial triangle, it could be any side, but right, we're gonna pick C because it's simple to understand. And the way you calculate this is Pythagorean theorem, right? Let's say you have one where each side is 2. So now you just split the triangle in the middle. So now you have 2 right triangles, meaning you can use the Pythagorean theorem. You just do square root of 2 squared minus 1. So that gives you square root of 3, which is the height. So now you can calculate the area. Next is the Heron formula. You probably won't use it, but you might have to use it on these hard math problems at the end of module 2. So let's say you have a triangle, and it doesn't have to be a right triangle, by the way. It could be any triangle. So you're gonna have to find the value of S, which is all the sides added up, so the perimeter divided by 2. And then what you're gonna do is this equation, A equals the square root of S times S minus each side, right? And that would give you the area. As I said, you probably won't have to use it, but you never know. Oh, and one last thing, the obtuse, I think it's called, triangle. College Board loves to give them on the SAT, so you probably have already seen it. It's like any other triangle, height times base. The base is this right there, and the height is the height relative to the ground. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, all that good stuff, okay?